Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to share about how to make electricity with Saline Solution. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Widuria Devi Nudiawati. You can call me Devi.
Hello, my name is Safira Rizky Sukma Darmayanti. You can call me Vira.
Hello guys, my name is Devia Mutiara Anggus. You can call me Devia.
Hello guys, my name is Indika Rama Valentika. You can call me Cindy.
Next, we will present the material. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, what are you waiting for? Check it out!
Okay, our goal of this practice is knowing whether that a saline solution that can conduct electric current or electricity solution, and knowing that a saline solution can make the light up.
We often hear about electrical or electricity. What do you think about electricity? Okay, nice. Electricity comes from the words of electric, electrical, or electricity. According to the Dictionary of Physics, electricity is a symptoms caused by the motion of charge, electron, and ion that create an electric force. There is three types of material that can conduct electricity. The first is conductors. Conductors is the material that can conduct electricity. The example of conductors is iron, steel, nickel, and copper. The second is isolator. Isolator is a material that cannot conduct electricity. The example is dry wood, paper, and plastics.
Okay, the last is semiconductor. Semiconductor is a material that has properties between isolator and conductor. The example is germanium, selenium.
First, you must to prepare tools and materials. There is tools and materials: 1 meter dual cable, a square battery, incandescent lamp, a black duct tape, 6 plastic cups, 2 carbon pencil, and saline solution.
Make an electric circuit like the pictures below. Split the dual cable into 2. Cut one of the cable into 2 pieces. Peel both ends of the 3 cables. Wrap the strand of wire around the pencil carbon. Do the same for the second pencil carbon. Wrap the strand of the lamp fitting.
Okay guys, the next step is you must to connect the wires that have been strung on the pencil carbon and the lamp on the battery box. Then, this is the picture, you can follow it. The next step to make saline solution is mix half a glass of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. After that, insert pencil carbon already assembled into saline solution. The light will turn on brightly. Yay!
The conclusion is the saline solution can conduct electricity, the lamp is turned on, and the bubble is appear.
When the salt is dissolved, its ions can move freely, therefore allowing the charge to flow.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our content. If you have any question or suggest, comment below.
Make a saline solution for practice electricity. Thanks for your attention. See you again and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.